Then you should have attractive thumbnail. Use Canva. Thumbnail is the picture that somebody sees before your video. So all these things ना, ये जो आपको एक दिख रहा है thumbnail, these are all thumbnails. So you have to create this thumbnail. Rule number 6 is optimize video titles, description, and tags. Now this is little bit of technical thing, but I will give you a tool called vidIQ. Okay, vidIQ tool is very affordable, 3 or 4,000 rupees for a year, and it gives you all AI recommendation. So we are also using vidIQ. Okay, and how to integrate vidIQ? When you go and search this vidIQ and you install it, it will give you step-by-step direction. Okay, so there is nothing rocket science into it. So this is the vidIQ one, which is I found that we are using it very useful. Then you should have attractive thumbnail. Use Canva. Thumbnail is the picture that somebody sees before your video. So all these things ना, ये जो आपको एक दिख रहा है thumbnail, these are all thumbnails. So you have to create this thumbnail. So जो बड़े players हैं, the people who are making it big, okay, जैसे like Ranveer Alabadia, now 1.9 million views. Now if you see, if I roll it, it will give me a snapshot of the video, but if I do not roll over it, it will give me an image. This image is called thumbnail. So this is how you should create your thumbnail. You can see this thumbnail, okay? So please start using Canva. It has a mobile application also and a desktop also. I use both of them. So for YouTube, two platform, vidIQ and Canva, till now we have discussed. This is what we love to use for all our design, everything is been done on Canva. Canva is free, but its paid version is very powerful. But free you can also use. Okay, there is till a certain point free also have lot of features. But again, paid version is best. It has all AI elements, AI apps also. Again, it is 4,000 rupees a year. Okay, it is less than 500 rupees per month. Rule number 8, engage with your audience. So whenever you are creating content, always have call to action. Always have call to action. What is CTA? When I say subscribe, comment at the end of my channel or my video, I always people tell them subscribe to our channel, comment what you think. Always there is a call to action. So when you are talking about 5 skin products to avoid, always ask, have I missed something? If you know any product we should avoid our skin, type below. So people will type that, okay, this product is bad. The more number of engagement is there below your video, the algorithm will push it more. Okay, respond to the comments is again important. And for all these things, respond for this technical work, you should do it by yourself. That's true. You should at least know it, but you require your own DR. You require your own doctor. Even though you are a doctor, you also require a new DR, which is a dedicated resource. I have somebody for 15,000-20,000 rupees. It will do all social media, including Instagram, YouTube, and other channels as well, because the same content can be repurposed for all the channels. Invest in quality production, that you can do after some time. Okay, so do not worry right now. We did after some time. And rule number 10 is leverage other social media and your patient community app. So people who are here in Diamond maybe have signed up for patient community app. Use the power of social media and your own patient community. Whenever you post a content, share the links on all social media and in the patient community. Ask people to see and comment and answer questions. Use your existing resources in a fantastic way, in a whole, like in a positive feedback loop kind of thing, where if you put one content, you can do multiple rounds of same content. Okay, that is how it needs to be done. So these are the 10 rules of success where you can engage with your audience in a proper way, right?